Saint of the day, Saint Rose of Lima. Historians remember Saint Rose of Lima for piety and chastity. Born in 1586 in Lima, Peru to Spanish colonist and named Isabel Flores de Olivia, she was exceptionally beautiful. Her beauty was so great that she was nicknamed Rose, a name that remains with her to this day. According to legend, a servant had a vision where her face turned into a rose. At her confirmation in 1597, she officially took the name of Rose. From an early age, Rose wanted to become a nun. She often prayed and fasted in secret. She performed secret penances, some of which were painful and severe. She performed daily adoration of the Blessed Sacrament and took daily communion. As a young woman, her beauty began to attract suitors. To deter this man, Saint Rose marred her face, rubbing it with pepper to make it blister. She cropped her hair short. Her parents opposed her plan to take a vow of chastity. This resulted in a clash of wills because her parents wanted her to marry. Her father eventually relented and gave her a room to herself. Saint Rose kept herself cloistered in a room, spending long periods in prayer. It was said she slept only 2 hours per night so as to have more time for prayer. She quit eating meat altogether, an extreme dietary restriction for that time. When she turned 20, she was permitted to join the Third Order of Saint Dominic. She continued a life of extreme prayer, fasting, and penance. On one occasion, she burned her hands as a self imposed act of penance. She was known to wear a heavy silver crown with spikes that could pierce her flesh. The spikes reminded her of the crown of thorns. At one point, one of the spikes became so lodged in her skull that the crown was removed with great difficulty. Saint Rose died on August 25th, 1617, at the age of 31. According to legend, she accurately predicted the date of her death. Her funeral was a major event attended by all the city's authorities. Pope Clement IX beatified her in 1667 and Pope Clement X recognized her as a saint, canonizing her in 1671. Her feast day is on August 23rd around the world, although some countries like Peru celebrate her on August 20. Saint Rose is the patroness of the embroiderers, gardeners, florists, those who suffer ridicule for their piety, and people who suffer family problems.